Today's video is gonna be a clean with me video. It didn't start as a clean with me vlog, okay? But I kept like cleaning and I was like, let me make it its own video. So if you like videos like that, enjoy this and let me know if you want more like this in the future. Thank you, bye. Okay, it's 9:30 and I'm home because I got cut today because there wasn't enough reservations. So my room's kind of a fucking mess right now. So do I even want to show you guys my room? I don't know if I have a lot of empty cups and cans around my room, and I think that's the worst part of it, honestly. This still has, I think, water in it. Yeah, right there. These my bed looks atrocious, honestly. And I'm on my period. Also, I have an eczema flare up on my nose right now. It's just one of those weeks, honestly. I'm having a rough week, but that's okay.
Is that Mom? There's blood on the car? We're not sure. It's red. It's something red underneath the license plate. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm fine. Right, okay, but you're not injured. You don't have any cuts?
Oh fuck.
I mean, that's a little bit. Brian, what's the blood? Brian explains to salvage at least some of the parts, but he first wants to clear out the car. So he checks the trunk. No.
My desk area is almost done, and I have to still make my bed, but I'm gonna probably sleep in. I don't know. I might make my bed tonight. Who knows? And I just have a bunch of these to fold. I think that's the most important thing. I think everything else, once I do this, the room will look clean. I have all this to fold, and I don't know why I always put off folding. Like, it's always the thing that I never want to do. And it's the thing that makes my room messy looking because it looks like I have clothes everywhere. So, I guess let's do this. I have folded most of my clothes. I just have to put most of them away. But I still have all this. So, it's not too much. But we're halfway there, and that's great.
I'm sitting in Julie's big gray chair right now, and we just finished our consultation.
Now to put the clothes away. I don't even think I have enough room. Yeah. This one's gonna be easy because I have to put all this into this. I don't know if I can do it, but we might be able to do it. All the tartare shirts together. They're so thick. Like, they're so thick. I don't want clothes. Okay, you know, it closed. My closet's kind of a mess, but we're just gonna stuff them in. I should probably organize these one day, but like, it's kind of a mess down here. But I don't want to do that today, so I don't know if you see. Yeah, you do. See if we close it. Wait, hold on. I just threw stuff on top of the bag that I put laundry in, so we're just gonna push it in. Ah! Ow, okay, I keep hurting myself. I like stubbed myself in the toe. I'm in so much pain, it hurts so bad. Put this back because it keeps rolling and hurting me. I put a bunch of stuff in this Target bag because I might go to the gym tomorrow morning. If I do, I do. If I don't, all the stuff I need for tomorrow is there. I'm just gonna spray it. I also should clean my glasses. They have like bleach on them from when I bleached my hair the other day. And like, I think that's dangerous. Also, I think it fucks up the prescription. So that's just prescription. Not the cleanest, but it did get off, so I'll show you guys the state of my room. But that bag is of garbage, okay? Like, I threw my big garbage away, so that's, I don't wanna start a big garbage, so that's what, ignore that. But I don't think it looks too bad. I think it could look, see, like, it doesn't look too bad. it could definitely look worse, honestly. I think I might make it up. I could have taken my makeup off hours ago. But I was like, you know what? I should like take it off once I'm done doing it. That way I feel like I'm like finished. I could just like lay in bed and rot for the rest of the night. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like, I just didn't do much makeup. I just did my eyebrows and my eyelashes. But these store brand CVS wipes because I was trying to save money. And honestly, once I got to checkout, it was like $8, and it wouldn't have been that much to just get the brand name ones. But that's one of these things on him, and like the regular Neutrogenas don't, so my hair looks like it doesn't want to be here anymore. It's okay. It doesn't want to be in this bun anymore. A bun. It doesn't want to be in the ponytail anymore. It probably looked like this for a while, I just noticed it, so. See, these wipes hurt, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna waste them, but they do hurt. Morning, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I had to put more eyeliner, like, I wasn't gonna wear eyeliner, because I wore eyelashes the day before, and I had to wear them again because the fucking eyeliner wouldn't come off. It fucking burns my eye, like, it only burns this eye, not this eye, so I think, like, trying to get it off, I probably, like, scrape my eye or something. It's been like 4 or 5 days, and my room needs to be cleaned again. Is it bad? No, maybe. So we're just gonna, and I didn't really finish cleaning in that video, in like the previous clip, so we're just gonna keep doing it. And see, I was editing the video that we're in right now. This is my desk area right now. I'm drinking the Red Bull. That's nasty. I'm throwing it away. I can still probably drink the water. Let's just clear up the desk first. It's the easiest thing to get clean. I used my InStyler today, which I haven't used in a while, so we're putting that back. Honestly, I feel like my desk is like the main area that gets like messy or dirty quickly. This is Starbucks from yesterday. We're gonna throw that out. And this one, I bought it at the store the other day, and it's nasty. So we're throwing this out too. It is a waste, yes, but like I really don't like the taste of this. I can't drink it. I was gonna say I was gonna not waste money, but I lied. I also have a bag of crumbs because I was eating paste. So I'm editing right now, and I don't know why I did not finish the word. I meant pastries. I had pastries. Like, what the fuck? Okay, let's throw this out. Put in my makeup stuff. And my makeup stuff. Put in my makeup stuff. Alright, let's. Cause I don't think I'm not gonna do any makeup today, honestly. Okay, so it's Saturday. It's my only day off, and like I kind of just don't want to do my makeup. So we're not going to. So I don't need any makeup for the next until at least tomorrow. So cause I have work tomorrow. Bobby pins and stuff. Keep them in a drawer. Put the drawer back. In the morning, I tend to just pull out the drawer so I can use the bobby pins, which I could just literally use. Because the drawers look like this, right? I could probably just open it and close it, but I've been taking it out completely. I don't think this works anymore. Let me check. I had like water damage, so I don't think it works at all anymore. Take that out and see if it does the ping thing. Nope. Yeah, I think it's broken. We're just gonna throw it out. It's fine. Even though it's kind of never work again, so garbage. Just to feel clean, I'm gonna put this on the bottom. Yeah, my mirror is completely broken. I need to buy a new one, okay? Sense of purposes, my desk is nice and clean. Like, look, it looks nice and clean, no? Like, it looks like I'm about to do work, which I am about to do work. I'm just gonna be sitting here for a few hours until my boyfriend comes over. Still did not make my bed, and I have some clothes on the floor, so we're gonna pick that up. Honestly, with my work pants, because I don't wash them every day or every week. When I don't work that many days, I literally just, and this might be gross, but like I'll just hang them in this hook in my closet and then wear them again. Because you know when your pants are too disgusting that you need to wash them, and they're not at that point yet, so you know, like it's not giving that yet, you know. Apron. It was raining the other day, so. Okay, I'll do that later. I might wear these shorts later. I always have so much bobby pins. So this is the bag I brought to the gym. I'm going to also put that in my closet. Why not? Nothing crazy. Because that way I don't have to take anything out of it. It'll just be in there. And I have these empty bags into the wallet. My whole ID is falling out of there. And these are open again. I know. I always like never close these. It's actually kind of a problem. Here's the thing. When you don't live with anyone else, like no one else, okay, I do have a roommate, but no one else sees this room, okay? So it's okay. Is it better now? Does it look cleaner? I feel like it does look cleaner when you close it. I'm not gonna lie. This is empty. So this is garbage. It's on a hanger. And this needs to be put on a hanger. So I'm gonna do that. Yes. It is so hard to close sometimes. Like, eee. Got it. And now we're gonna put it back in its umbrella spot. I don't remember where first. I got this like Kinokuniya like $10 gift card in the mail, so I think I'm gonna use this one of these days. Or maybe I'll take you guys along with me. The last thing I really have to do is my bed, but what I think I'm gonna do, because I don't feel like really fully making it, is just folding the blankets. Like taking the stuff off and folding the blankets and putting the like stuffed animals back in good places, because sometimes, like, especially when my boyfriend's coming over, like it's gonna get messed up in like a few hours. So I might as well like find a good middle where it looks cleaner, but I don't have to put in as much work. That's gonna look ridiculous folding it, but I'll show you guys afterwards. And I just rolled it up, but it's okay. We're probably gonna use it tonight anyway. Okay, let's put the stuffed animal. This is all I'm gonna clean with you guys in this video, because I feel like honestly the other things are kind of small things. Like my shelf needs to be rearranged, but like it's nothing big. Like maybe just wipe down the you know what I mean? So I guess this is all for this video. This is my first time doing a clean my room with me type of video. So would you guys like me to do more of these? I don't know, because I don't know how I feel about these or doing these. I don't know if you find this entertaining at all either. So don't know if this video is gonna do well, but I hope you guys enjoy it anyway, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video, which I don't know when the fuck it is, but right now we have a lot of videos that need to be edited. So I might be putting up a lot of videos a week for now. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, bye.